Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. To do this, you will need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, slot pops out. Then you can take out it with your bare hands. So here you should insert your SD card, and here you have two slots for SIM cards. So as you can see, this one goes for 2 and this one goes for 1. So let's insert it to slot 1 and then back into our device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card for transferring photos and media, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.